Lava launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Lava Virat V1 Pro. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Virat V1 Pro 5G features a tall 6.74-inch HD+ display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera along with the unspecified secondary lens. Under the hood, the Lava Virat V1 Pro 5G comes powered by Uni-SoC T8200 chipset paired with Mali G57 and P2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage with dedicated microSD card expansion support. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box. Additionally, this smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.29 by 77.64 by 8.68 millimeters, and it weighs around 207 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Virat V1 Pro 5G has been priced in India at 15,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 31st in Sikkim Midnight Blue and Spitty Frost color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Virat V1 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.